I do not remember seeing a line this crazy for a Yeezy in the last 2 years. Do y'all see this? This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Foam runners. Foam runners. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for Hey Top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today, man. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here to just talk to y'all about the madness that's going on with the Yeezy Foam runners. As y'all know, tomorrow the Yeezy Foam runners re-released. They released like a while back, okay? And like the pandemonium was crazy. Everybody like kind of didn't want them at first, but now everybody wants them. And this literally reminds me exactly how the Yeezy Slide went. The first time the Yeezy Slide came out, people was kind of iffy. The second time, it was crazy. Everybody wanted Yeezy Slides. I was actually lucky enough to get this colorway on the second drop, and I made a video. Maybe a lot of y'all watching today seen that video I did on the Yeezy Slide. It got over 100,000 views, and I appreciate that. But now it's time to get into the foam runners. I believe that the foam runner material is almost the same, or maybe it is the exact same. If you want to see the video I made on the Yeezy Slide, I will make sure I leave a link down below so y'all can check it out. I talked about the comfortability, the ups and downs. I gave like the whole nine of the Yeezy Slide, and I think it will pertain the same way to the Adidas Yeezy Foam runners. Now, I want to be honest, I do like the foam runners. I really do like the idea of it. I wanted to get them on the first drop. I had no luck. So I will be trying my best to go after these tomorrow, just like a lot of y'all. The reason why I wanted to bring this video to you guys is, I ain't gonna lie, I was actually contemplating to myself, like, is people still hyped over Yeezys? Like the 700 V3, what Kaya Knight came out not too long ago. I didn't really hear too many people talking about it. I know some people love Yeezy, some people love Kanye, so people gonna buy the shoe. But it's a different buzz within the sneaker community whenever a shoe is, you know, it's popping, it's in the algorithm, or people in the community is all up talking about it. I don't remember the last Yeezy that was making a lot of noise, especially the 350. It's over. I think the 350 is almost at that place where it's almost as common as the Air Force One at this point. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see a 350 just about everywhere you go. So the hype is really slim unless you got those few first selective pairs. And that reminds me of shoes like the Adidas For Real. The only ones that's really still popping is like the original colorway pack from the red, yellow, the green. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. Those are really like the only ones that's highly sought after, or the ones that you be like, yo, he got one of them ones, because now it was just so many of them out there, it kind of like broke down unless you have like the original pair. But one thing I can say about Kanye's shoes is I did not expect this, okay? There is a massive line. I want to make sure I get this right, because this video that I'm about to show you guys, this is actually in Japan right now, and this is a line outside of Japan, outside of the Adidas store in Japan, for the Yeezy Foam runners. And I was like, yo, what? Nice Kicks, shout out to Nice Kicks, by the way. They posted this video up on their Instagram, and I was like, yo, bro, you serious? It's two different colorways. You got one that's like that camouflage colorway. It's like a sand and a gray almost, and then you get another one which was more like a core colorway. And I just couldn't believe that the line was like, I do not remember seeing a line this crazy for a Yeezy in the last 2 years. So it's crazy, and this is nothing different than other Yeezys, because I remember when the 350 first came out, or the 350 V2 came out, they sat on Adidas.com. They sat, okay? When the Belugas came out, they sat. Literally, I remember the day. I turned them down myself. They sat. I remember when the Wave Runners came out, bro. They sat for 4 hours. The Wave Runner, the most common Yeezy 700, to me, that's the most essential. If you don't get any 700, you have to get the Wave Runner, and in my opinion, you have to, well, you know what, no, we're just gonna say the Wave Runner. You have to have the Wave Runner. That is the essential 700. That one sat too. So it's normal to see people pass up on the Yeezy the first time around, and once people realize that, hey, society made these cool, or maybe they can be like, yo, I seen these on foot, because that's my case, right? My case was, I was like, bro, nah, I don't know about that. I see them on foot, people change my mind, and I'm like, hey man, if I ever get a chance to get these again, I'm going for it. So I think we definitely starting to see that now with the foam runners. Like I said, I know a lot of people are waiting, patiently waiting. Some people even got them early, paid resale for them, but They retail for $75. Same thing with these. I believe these retail for 50 bucks. I got two colorways. I got like the lighter tan pair in my room, and this is the pair I'm wearing right now to break in. They're very stiff unless you break them in. I really like this colorway because it doesn't get dirty as quick, so I can really wear these all day. I wear my Yeezy slides all the time, literally all the time. Anytime I'm running errands. I even met most of my subs that I meet outside of like events or just at the mall. I'm wearing my slides, bro. One of the two pair. I only have two pair, but I absolutely love them. So I can only imagine the craziness that's gonna be happening. But I want to know y'all thoughts and opinions of this line for the Yeezy. Like, bro, people are. Did you see that line, bro? Let me throw this video up again. Y'all must not have seen this video. I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can just actually hear the audio. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna play it one time. Do y'all see this? This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Foam runners. I wouldn't have seen this, man. We were talking about like a re-release of like Red Octobers. Absolutely. Duh. No question asked. Shut up. You already know what it is, man. It's going down. But I did not expect this big of a impact on the foam runners. And I know this is in Japan, but I feel like Japan definitely sets a lot of trends on what happens in America because Japan get a lot of stuff first. If y'all ever notice, like a lot of UK people get dunks first, they get a lot of off-white stuff first. The UK have different release times and they're released at earlier times than us. And I believe that a lot of people that's tapped in with that, they look at what the UK is doing, they look at what Japan is doing, and they almost kind of mimic that here in the US, and that we kind of laugh to the boat. So I don't know, man. I definitely wanted to have this quick discussion with you guys, man. Let me know down below in the comments if you are going for the Yeezy Foam Runners tomorrow. And if you are, good luck, because as you can see, these will be a very big score for anybody that get them. Like I said, I'm going for my pair, a personal pair. I don't want to flip these. I don't want to get no money off these. I need them for the toe. Kanye is back, all right? The Foam Runner might bring back the Yeezy wave because I don't think the sneakers can do it, but it's up to you guys, man. Make sure you comment. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel. You already know the vibes. 100K before the end of the year. And do not leave this video without smashing the like button and leaving a comment. I need it. I need y'all thoughts. I need y'all opinions on this video. Really means a lot. So make sure y'all do that, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.